Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here, and as you know, most Xiaomi smartphones like the Xiaomi 17 or Xiaomi 17 Ultra come equipped with fast charging technology, but it may not be enabled by default. To take advantage of this feature, navigate to your device's settings and look for options related to charging or battery. So on your Xiaomi 17 or Xiaomi 17 Ultra, unlock your phone, go to the settings and scroll down until you see the battery menu. Tap on it and look for charging options. Tap on it and now you will see wired charging mode. Open it and choose top speed. Once enabled, your Xiaomi smartphone will intelligently adjust the charging current and voltage to deliver a faster charging experience. This feature can significantly reduce the time required to charge your device. And don't forget, using the original charger and cable provided by Xiaomi is crucial for fast charging. So I do hope you ended up enjoying the video, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, brothers!